In this video, I'm going to show you how to print a payment voucher in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to File menu, top left, and from here you want to go to Printer Setup, and first you want to set your printer up, okay? So over here, it's going to give you like a form name. You want to click on it over here, and then there's going to be a bunch of different things. What you want to look for is check or paycheck, okay? So let's actually find it right now. There we go, it's over here. Click on it, and as you can see here, that's essentially it. You can then choose the voucher check style, which provides space for detailed payment information. So here you have like a bunch of different things. You have to click on voucher, and then you have to select your printer over here and click on OK. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. Then you want to mark the checks for printing. So you want to go ahead and open the pay bills window. So over here, if you go to vendors, you want to click on pay bills, and here you can see there's like, of course, a bunch of your bills you have over here. And what you have to do is you have to check the print later to add it to the queue. Okay, so I'm going to click on, for example, over here. Let's say I want to use this one over here, and now here is you can do to be printed, or you can just assign it, so it's completely up to you. And then to actually print it, you also have one more option. So you could go to File, top left, and you could go to Print Forms over here, and then click on Checks, and you'll be able to select the ones you want to print. Click on OK, and now you are inside the printer, and you can just select voucher and click on print just like this. Or you could also be in here inside your, so if you go to vendors and then pay bills, you could be in here anywhere, click on a specific bill and click on go to bill, and you can then print it from up here just like this very easily. Or what you could also do is, in case you are inside checks, so if you're writing checks, you could go and find the one you want like this, or using the find option over here, and then just hit the print button, and you can also print like that. So those are kind of the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.